Did you know that keeping your fridge freezer free from ice will ensure it runs efficiently? Aim to defrost your freezer once or twice a year, or when you notice a buildup of ice. Too much and your appliance has to work harder to keep frozen food safe. It also reduces storage space. Here's how to tackle ice quickly. Move items to a cool bag, box or chest freezer. Place towels on the floor to soak up excess water as ice melts. Put plastic tubs or trays inside to catch large chunks of ice as they fall. Switch off your freezer, place a bowl of hot water on a small towel inside and leave the door open. Use a plastic spatula, never a knife or hairdryer, to loosen ice as it melts. Once your freezer is clear of ice, clean the walls, shelves or drawers with warm soapy water and allow them to air dry. Prevent future ice buildup by checking door seals for damage or mould. Switch it back on and allow to cool for at least an hour before refilling.